Hello, crafters and artisans, and welcome back to Psychedelic Squid Fiber Arts. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple diz for your wool. This is one that I made out of plexiglass about 7 years ago, and you can see that it's holding up nicely. I added extra holes in case I wanted to change the roving size, but I found I like to use the center one the most. So I'm going to be making this new one with just the center drilled out. To start, I'm using an acrylic board from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to drill out a 2-inch circle using a hole saw attachment for my drill. Please use some sort of respirator as you don't want to inhale plastic dust. You want to be careful not to apply too much pressure when drilling because you can crack the plastic like I did. In addition to that, you want to do short bursts with the drill, otherwise the friction will cause the plastic to melt and it can bind to your drill bit. Next, I'm going to start cleaning up the edges using a box cutter. Please be careful when you do this and cut away from yourself. After that, I'm going to sand the edges, so you can use a Dremel or just sandpaper it by hand. Remove the protective film, and there you go, a functional diz. The following steps are optional, but I think they make the final project nicer. I'm going to round the diz by heating it over a rounded surface with my hand torch. You can also use a heat gun. I did this outside in case any fumes were released. To start, I tried a ball of aluminum foil, but it left a really textured surface. So the next time, I used a 3-inch wood sphere, which came out significantly better. Again, you could stop here, but I wanted to decorate mine. So I wiped it down quickly with acetone. This actually melts the plastic a little bit, and it texturizes the surface so that the paint will adhere well. Then I base coat it in white enamel spray paint. And now for the color. I use a technique called water marbling, where you use nail polish on the surface of the water and swirl it to create designs. You can also use spray paint, but I haven't tried it. So I taped one side off at a time and created a little handle using the tape. Then I dip it onto the design. Then you have to let it dry for a while. After dipping both sides, I coat the whole thing with 2 coats of clear nail polish, doing one side at a time. This is the final result, and here are 2 other designs I made with pieces I messed up by melting them too much. Oopsie. Thank you all so much for exploring the depths of your creativity with me. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and I'll see you next time.